Welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, I want to show you how to trade Jump 75. But before going to the to the PC platform, let me show you this. Okay, let me show you this. Actually, Jump 75 works almost the same way. Jump 75 is a new asset that you can actually trade, and the good thing about it is it works just like volatility 75. You can see the way volatility 75 moves up in a single direction, but it does not go that way. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down till it's end the trend of that particular at that particular time. Okay, so that is the way it works. So Jump 75 also works in the same way. So I'm going to show you something about Jump 75 so that you guys will see. So let's go to Jump 75 right now. So I'm going to go down to Jump 75 now. Okay, in case you are not having it in your lists, you can easily add it. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to go there right now. You can see this is where I came in from, because I noticed that this is a resistance level, and if it breaks out from this resistance level, then it should shoot up. Okay, and that is what is happening right now. Okay, you might be wondering how I got to know about all these. Okay, I use my QDC scraper indicator to do my analysis. Okay, and when I did it, it was a successful one. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use this to trade successfully, okay, on the PC. Okay, so we'll be going to the PC platform, but before going to the PC platform, let me quickly show you the result of this current trade that is going on. You can see it right here. Okay, you can see it right here. That is $1,469. Okay, if I had used the lot size I used in my last trade, then this should be giving me $5,000, but I decided to reduce it a bit to see how far it can go. Okay, so that is why I'm getting $1,400, and it is still running. Okay, it is still running, so it will keep on running till I get to the end of the trend. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you how I did my analysis before jumping into this. Okay, I'll be sharing with you on my PC platform right away. So guys, we'll be going to the PC platform right now. Okay, we'll be going to the PC platform right now. So let's go straight to the PC platform so that you will understand how it works. Hello guys, I welcome you all to the PC platform. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and also make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you go into your real account. Okay, and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and turn it on to all notification. And if you have any question at all about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about any of my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. So quickly, let's go on to the platform so that I can explain to you how I have been trading Jump 75 successfully. You saw the video. Okay, you saw the live trading that is going on right there. Okay, it's $1,400, and already it's still going on. Okay, so I'll be showing you while I'm doing my explanation. Okay, on the, I'll be showing you the mobile setup on the screen while I'm doing my explanation, so that we'll know how far it is going. Okay, so right now, check out this. This is what I use to do my analysis. Okay, I use the the QDC scraper indicator, and that is it. Okay, what I just did was to come in when I follow the trend. Okay, this is 5 minute time frame. What I did was to take it down to 5 minute time frame, and I checked out when the trend was starting. So I started it with the trend. Okay, so it started going up. You can see that it didn't just go up, it was going up and down, up and down, up and down. And check it out, it keeps on going on till this very moment. As at now, it is about going into a downtrend, but it will take some time before it will break out fully so that it can go on downtrend. So I'm actually waiting for this, so I might be closing the what's it called, the order any moment from now. But right now, that this is just how it works. So also for downtrend, you can see the downtrend started sometimes somewhere here, and it started going down. You can see it was going down and up till it came down to the very last stage where the trend changed direction from downtrend to uptrend. So you can easily trade it. All you just need to do is just to come in when the trend is starting. This is when the trend is starting. And when should you close your trade? You should close your trade around here, okay, where the trend is coming to an end. This is where it came to an end. It came to an end right here. Okay, so you just need to close your trade here. Okay, but I was able to do a very long trade like this because I'm having long I'm having huge trading capital. Okay, so I can leave my trend for I can leave my trade for a very long time. So I started with a trend till the very end of the trend. Okay, so this is a very long trade, guys. And for those that are having small trading capital, you can go you can do it gradually. Okay, for instance, once you are starting with the trend where you get your buy signals, for instance, right now we have an uptrend at this area. Okay, so once you get a buy signal, you come in and trade till you get a sell signal. Once you get your sell signal, you can close it at that particular point. So if you should check it out, if you should do your calculation right from here to this point, okay, to this point, that is 44 candles. So you can see that that was even for a very long time. Okay, and this is 5 minute time frame. Okay, so that is how it works. And after closing it, wait for another buy signal because this is uptrend. So you can come in here again and pick another order and place another order here and close it right here. Okay, this is another buy order, although the period is not for a very long time because it is already around a resistance level. That is why it is consolidating around this area. Okay, but it is also going to give you profit because this is just for 5 minutes. Okay, and which is amazing. Okay, so like I used to tell you, let me quickly say this about this particular asset. Jump 75 works almost the same way like like volatility 75. Okay, it goes up and down, but once the trend is in a certain direction, it goes more in that direction than the other direction. Okay, so that is just the way it works. So you should be able to milk the asset successfully using this strategy. So you can keep on coming in each time you have a buy signal and close it when you have a sell signal. Wait for another buy signal and then close it right here. This is the best way you can go about it if you don't have much trading capital or you are yet to understand the way it works. Okay, after my last video on this particular asset yesterday, I got some testimonies from a few of my students that tried it out. Okay, there is a particular one that tried it out. He has been trading boom and crash all this while. So when I came up with the video on jump 75, he tried it out, and yesterday night he showed me his results. Okay, he was able to move $50 to over $300 yesterday night. Okay, using this same strategy, QDC scraper indicator, he was able to do that, and he did that successfully. So I'm really happy that he was able to achieve that. So I should be getting ready for a sell right now. I should be getting ready for a sell. This is where I ought to have come in, but because of the video I'm doing, I'm actually waiting. And of course, I know it will find it difficult to break out from this from the uptrend successfully because it's been on a very strong uptrend. So I'm not very late at the moment. Okay, so that is just the way it works. That is just the way it works. Just follow the simple example highlighted in this video. Follow the instructions highlighted in this video, and you will be able to trade it successfully. Don't worry, I'm going to come up with more videos on it so that you guys will understand how to go about it, and I'll still keep on doing videos on all other assets too. So not that I'm abandoning those that are that love trading boom and crash or step index or blacklist 75. No, I will keep on doing videos, I mean, teaching you different trading strategies which you can use to trade each of these assets successfully. Okay, but this is a new asset, so I'll be creating more videos on it so that you guys will know how to trade it successfully. Like I said in my last video, okay, it is an asset that can give you a lot of money if you know how to go about it. I tried it out and I've made lots and lots of money already with it. You can see right now that I'm at $2,000, and that was amazing. Okay, so I'll be closing my trades right now. So guys, I want you to have this set up. Let me give you a small assignment. Okay, I want you guys to have this setup on your chart. You can try it out on your demo account first before you go on your real account. Come to this section and add jump 75 to it. Once you add jump 75, okay, set this indicator on your chart. Okay, once you have this setup on your chart, then just follow. Make sure it is on 5-minute time frame. Once it is on 5-minute time frame, I decided to use 5 minutes in order to have perfect entry, okay, and perfect exit. Once it is on 5-minute entry, time frame, wait for the trend. Once the trend is on, or probably let's say you are not starting the trend with starting the trend at the beginning. Okay, let's say when you set it up, the price action is around here. The trend have started already, so the price action is around there. Then you can wait till you get a buy signal. Okay, once you get a buy signal on green, come in and trade and wait till you get a sell signal. Once you get a sell signal, close your trade. Let's see how many trades you are able to make, and let's see how many of them will end up in profit, or probably you're going to lose all of them. Okay, let me hear from you guys. Let me hear from you. Send screenshots to me. I want to see your result. I want to know your personal experience using this indicator to trade this asset. Okay, let's do that together before you go into your real account. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Thank you, and God bless you.